Hey there traders, ever wanted a secret trick that could boost your trading skills? Interested in a unique indicator that could change how you trade? Well, today could be your lucky day. I'm happy to share a special indicator that I've made myself. And the best part, it's all yours and it's totally free. So let's dive in and start this exciting adventure. Ready? Let's keep going. I'm eager to introduce an indicator named Alpha MA TradeGenius. This versatile indicator can be adjusted to fit any chart or time frame. Right now, I'm applying it to a 15-minute throne chart. But remember, the trading field is wide and diverse. So don't hesitate to experiment and discover what works for you. So before we kick off trading with this indicator, let's adjust a few settings to ensure we get the best results. First, navigate to the input section. Keep the multiplier option in its default state. Next, adjust comment period to the number 7. The ATR multiplier and the price type should remain in their default states. Now, change the length option to 145. And leave the remaining options in their default states. Moving on the Style tab, set the MA option to green, red, and white in that order. The rest of the options can stay in their default states. That's it. In this indicator, I've designed a color-coded moving average to assist you in identifying trends. Therefore, using this indicator, if you want to identify the trend, you just need to pay attention to the color and the position of the price relative to it. If the color of the moving average is green and the price candles are above it, then the market momentum is bullish. On the contrary, if the color of the moving average is red and the price candles are below the red moving average, the market has a bearish momentum. We also have another area on this indicator called the ATR zone. When the market is within this zone, due to the low potential for movement in the market, we should not enter a trade, as shown in these examples. If we want to trade using this method, we need to follow 3 main conditions. First, let's examine a buy trade. For a buy trade, the first condition is that the market should be in an upward trend. Next, the price should be outside the ATR zone. Finally, we should wait for a buy signal to be issued. So, once all these conditions are met, we can open a buy trade. For setting a stop loss, you can use the recent swing low. And the best area for exiting the trade and profit is when the risk-reward ratio is 1 to 2. For a short trade, the first rule is that the market should be trading downward. Following that, the price should be positioned outside the ATR zone. Lastly, we should potentially wait for a sell signal to be generated. Once these rules are satisfied, we're in the position to initiate a short trade. To determine a stop loss, we can consider the recent swing high. The most favorable area for closing the trade with profits is when the risk-to-reward ratio reaches 1 to 2. And if you're keen in acquiring this indicator on no cost, simply click the link I've shared beneath the video to become a member of the TradeGenius Telegram channel. Once you're in, you'll all access to the text file for the indicator. The Telegram channel is also a great place to explore if you're on the hunt for additional indicators and strategies. After downloading the text file, open it, highlight all the text and copy it. Your next stop is the Point Editor section on the TradingView website. Clear out any exiting content in this section and replace it with the text you've copied. Voila! You've successfully added the indicator to your chart, and it's yours to keep absolutely free. And if you're curious about trying out other strategies I've developed, you won't want to miss this video.